unregulated problem, which is only getting exponentially worse.
State lawmakers are looking to pump the brakes on e-bikes with a new safety bill. The proposal coming as communities across Florida reporting growing concerns about speeding riders and serious crashes.
ABC 7's Juliana Narvaez is live in Sarasota County with the proposed changes and the safety concerns behind them. Juliana, break it down.
Well, Rick and Madison, whether you love them or you hate them, these e-bikes have become a part of everyday life here in Florida. Now, after a series of serious crashes and also growing concerns, lawmakers are now, and they have now approved a bill that they hope will make those rides just a little bit safer. And now it's just one signature away from becoming law. Whether it's on a sidewalk, trail, or street, e-bikes are hard to miss these days. But some say the rules haven't kept up with their popularity.
Unregulated problem, which is only getting exponentially worse.
And as the Suncoast cracks down on e-bike safety,
number one, this is illegal. Number two, illegal to ride in the road.
So are Florida lawmakers. Senate Bill 382 would create new safety rules for e-bikes, including a requirement that riders slow to 10 miles per hour on sidewalks and paths when pedestrians are within 50 feet. Violators could face a $30 fine.
There is anecdotal evidence of the danger of these devices, but there's not documented evidence.
While stories of serious e-bike crashes have made headlines, attorney Ira Leesfield says there's little hard data to measure the full scope of the problem. That's one reason this new bill would create a state task force to study micromobility devices, including e-bikes.
State lawmakers.
The e-bikes are everywhere, not just the noise, and it's not just the e-bikes. And our firm has worked for 50 years. This is the 50th year of our firm on consumer protection and consumer advocacy and trying to make the community a better, safer, more enjoyable place to live, not just Dade County, but elsewhere. And so the same problems transgress other communities, but we're talking about really South Florida. Our firm does handle and represent people with catastrophic injuries, and we really try to make people whole again if they have been injured, and to level the playing field. So a picture means 1,000 words. I don't have a picture, but I have a picture in my mind that I saw about 6 months ago of a young lady, a young girl with a baby on her lap, on a one-seat e-bike, meandering through Coconut Grove, the side streets. She had her earplugs in. She was on the phone while this baby was on her lap, and she was weaving from sidewalk to path and around traffic circles. No helmet for her, no helmet for the infant, who must have been a year or two. I understand from a good source that she was cited by a policeman, by a city of Miami policeman, for reckless endangerment of her child. That he saw it and was so offended that he felt that she had put her child in danger. Unfortunately, that case was thrown out because there was no statutory protection and no statute that allowed that case to be criminally prosecuted. But this is not an isolated instance. The uncontrolled and unregulated plague of e-bikes is something that is impacting and impairing everybody's quality of life. And I want to emphasize that I am not against progress, technology, or any other form of transportation that advances people's community life. But if these two-wheel vehicles are being used recklessly, there's two categories at least of danger. One is the danger to the pedestrian or whoever, another bicyclist or another person on the street or in a car. So the dangers to others are significant.